Welcome to 5M Gadget channel. Today Huawei Nova 4 unboxing. Box looking okay, not bad. Watch now guys. Okay. Huawei has introduced its next-gen Nova series smartphones called the Nova 4 at an event in China. The handset, as expected, has a screen piercing in the display to accommodate the front camera, just like the Samsung Galaxy A8s. This has helped the new Huawei Nova 4 to deliver full-screen experience without a notch while hitting a screen-to-body ratio of 91.8%. Furthermore, the Nova 4 is now the world's first smartphone to feature a high-resolution 48-megapixel sensor in the triple rear setup. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 4 both flaunt a bezel and notchless 6.41-inch display with Full HD+, 1080 by 2,310p resolution. At its core, the handset employs the same high-silicon Kirin 970 chipset as its predecessor the Nova 3. Review. The SAC is paired with Mali G72 GPU and 8GB of RAM, while the storage on board is 128GB that is further expandable via microSD card. On the software front, the offering runs Android 9 Pie-based MU9 out of the box. Huawei Nova 4, featured. For photography, the Nova 4 features a 25-megapixel shooter with AI beautification on the front, while the rear camera of the Nova 4 employs a triple setup of 48-megapixel Sony IMX576 primary shooter, paired with 16-megapixel and 2-megapixel secondary and third shooters respectively. The cameras are accompanied by LED flash and Huawei's artificial intelligence, AI, to further enhance the result. A 3,750 mAh battery fuels the newest Huawei device with 18 watts fast charging support. Other features include a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and connectivity options include dual SIM, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS.